Getting enough Z's? In today's Wellness Minute, I'm going to talk about 3 tips for better sleep. Wake up at the same time every day, even on the weekends. This recommendation typically tops any list of sleep tips. If you can establish a consistent bed and wake time, after your body is adjusted to this routine, you will likely find yourself falling asleep more easily at night and eventually waking up without an alarm. Tip 2. Give yourself some wind down time. Another way you can improve your sleep is by making sure you give yourself some wind down time before bed. Your brain and body both need to relax to fall asleep and stay asleep. And 3. Pay attention to your natural rhythms and sleep needs. Although the recommendation is 7 to 9 hours of nightly sleep for adults, people vary in their sleep needs. If you wake up naturally and feel alert throughout the day with 6.5 hours of sleep, then there's no need to force yourself to spend 8 hours in bed. Stay well.